Should you buy it? That's all depends on you. If you don't want to break the bank, you don't want to spend a lot of money. If you that dude, you go buy a $100 Ratchet, you could have bought like 5 more things from Harbor Freight. Alright, YouTube, it's good. Leekautorepair. Let me lower my seat here. Get close on the camera. Sorry for the side noise. Might be people walking in and out of the shop. I'll try to talk louder, but those who ain't subscribed to my channel, hit the like button first. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, so that way you get notifications when I post on time or whatever. So I went to Harbor Freight today. I was in need of a Ratchet. It's pretty much going to be a tour review. I'm going to start doing tour reviews because I'm just going to do it just because. And I said what I said about it, like I was biased against them or whatever, but I actually think I do a hell of a good job reviewing these joints. So I was in need of a Ratchet. Most of my Ratchets are broken. I gotta get returned in for get replacement or whatever. But I ain't had time for all that, so I felt like I needed something quick, something inexpensive. So of course we go to our neighborhood, Harbor Freight. So those who don't have Harbor Freight store, then you're missing out on it. But it's damn near in every U.S. state. Not every U.S. state, but most U.S. states or whatever. So there's one up the road from me. Went there. The cost of this is let me see how much I paid for it. I'll let you know the model I got, whatever. You probably see this all the time in Harbor Freights or whatever, but it was $19.99. The taxes brought it up to like $21.19. There's 6% taxes in PA, 6 to 8%, but this one was 6%. So it's 72 teeth. The model item number on it, or the product number was it? Part whatever is 62321. I'm kind of blind from the light on the phone or whatever. I'll get through this video, but like I said, it's 3/8 drive, flex head, so like a 0 degree, like my Mako ratchet wrenches that you've seen if you've been watching my shit or whatever. But it's flex head, so it says like a 5% arc angle, but it just looked like close to fucking 0 to me. It's like how my ratchet wrenches is or whatever. But it's really nothing to really, I mean, some people don't even, first of all, a lot of people don't even like Harbor Freight ratchets. Pittsburgh products, period. That's why I titled this video, should you buy wrenches or ratchets from Harbor Freight or whatever. Should have been for both or whatever, but should you buy a ratchet from Harbor Freight? It's a good ass question. But if you need something quick, something you don't want to spend a lot of money, I can't afford Snap-on, can't afford Mako, you can grab this for like 20 bucks. You get a Craftsman. The Craftsman ones are maybe slightly a bit more, but they more durable than me. I think they will last long, and the warranty is equivalent on both because this is a lifetime. Craftsman is lifetime as well. So should you buy it? That's all depends on you. If you don't want to break the bank, you don't want to spend a lot of money. If you that dude, you go buy a $100 Ratchet, you could have bought like 5 more things from Harbor Freight or whatever. So it all comes down to you or whatever. This is something that I need in my box. I can see me using this. If it breaks, I'm just going ahead and get me another one. I ain't gonna be using this to break something crazy loose like a fucking axle nut, like somebody do something retarded like that, or do most suspension jobs with this. Nah, I'm gonna do this on things that that's not like real crazy or whatever. Because if it's real crazy, then I'm just go ahead and use air tools or like electric tools or whatever. So you might not like this. It is what it is. I like this. Here's the look of it, whatever. Let me go ahead and rip it apart. But I'm just letting you know what y'all see what type of jobs I do. Y'all see this engine job I got on this 2010.
Hybrid.
It's a hybrid.
Always remember that. Tell them they knew
it's a hybrid. 2010 Toyota Prius. Just doing the engine and transmission on it both at the same time. When I drank the engine oil, and you can smell it when the car was running, basically it was chocolate milkshake coming out or whatever, so we all know what that means or whatever. I think I don't know what the issue was with the transmission, but I think you just want to do a whole new power plant at the same time. Not new, but engine with like less mileage or whatever. I think it's maybe like a high mileage car or whatever, but I want to put a low mile powertrain on it, which is a good idea. So replacing the engine, transmission, hybrid Toyota Prius. This is probably like my first hybrid job I ever had to do. I mean, I've done like stuff like put a hybrid battery in and do a couple things to it, but I never had to like do an engine on the hybrid. So to me, I don't think about what it is. I just just get it done. I mean, I guess I get to that part when I get there, and you know, I figure it out. So I will show y'all on the side with the engine and transmission, but I don't feel like, you know, getting the camera around. So good paying job, but you know, make sure I get it done in a good amount of time. I do have plans for to at least have it back inside of the car for tomorrow. So tomorrow sometime. So I will be staying late. Stay late. Maybe I do, you know, another video on tips and stuff. I think I'm at like part 5 or part 6 or whatever for engine and transmissions. Maybe I'll do another video on that. I don't know. Whatever. So just letting y'all know, Ratchet wrench. Not even Ratchet. I don't even know why I called it that. But Ratchet. I'm trying to break this off. If I could get it off. I don't even know how this come off. Give me 1 second. Hold up. Oh, whatever. I don't know what I just did, but let me 1 second. All right, I got it off. But like I said, I know I'm gonna be needing this for, you know, jobs like this. Y'all see what I do? I do jobs like this all the time or whatever. I'm not saying hybrid all the time, but big jobs like this all the time. I can get by using this. I ain't gonna cry just over the quality. I know this may get flappy after a while or whatever. That's why they make a screw there. Tighten that shit up. Don't be fucking complaining or whatever. So, going in my toolbox, put that thing in there right now, cause that's where it need to be or whatever. We're gonna use that chumpy tomorrow. Now, I may go out and go get, I like Mako for some reason. Mako not that bad, but they design on shit be a little funny or whatever. So I definitely not getting no fucking snap-on shit or whatever, but Mako, cause that's just me. I like Mako for some reason. Probably cause they're not as expensive as snap-on. Whatever, to each his own. So maybe I'll vlog about this tomorrow, but it is what it is. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe or whatever. The next video, I don't know. I'm gonna keep them Jones coming. Y'all know every Friday what's gonna be popping on Fridays. Freestyles got that shit popping. Definitely gonna be. I'm trying to have it dedicated where I put like how-to videos on like certain days or whatever. Like Sundays, I think I uploaded a video for Sunday. I don't know. I'll try to have something for like Sunday, maybe rolling into Monday. I gotta sit down, come up with a schedule because I can't just keep posting like randomly or whatever. Because I'm getting to the point where it looks like I'm just like posting shit, which is cool, whatever. But I really want to be more organized because, you know, my subs is going up. Everything is like going up. Definitely like made a turnaround as of like last year, and I'm definitely like seeing like progress or whatever. So I definitely want to stay like, you know, in a good path and be like more organized. So I'm definitely forgot that part. So it is what it is. So Leekautorepair, let me know in the video if you fucks with Pittsburgh Ratchet. If you don't fucks with Pittsburgh Ratchet, or I shouldn't have bought it, let me know. It's your feedback or whatever. If you got this Ratchet or you don't mind always going back to the store to go get the Ratchet, just let me know your thoughts on it or whatever. Or if you got any other brands, because I be seeing people be doing like other YouTube, like other reviews on other name brand, different name brand, different, not name brand, but different brand like Ratchets and stuff like that. Like I mean, if it ain't Craftsman, Mako, I would use a Snap-on one. I got one. I would use Pittsburgh or whatever. If it ain't anything I know, I really probably won't even use it. But if you see you got something that you want to like suggest or like recommend, I'll definitely check it out. But hit the like button, make sure you guys subscribe, and holler at you on the next video.